It's Accountech Bytes, rounding up the news and analysis from the world of accounting technology. I'm Tom Herbert. I've been away for a while. Did I miss anything? I was away in Estonia for a week, and I couldn't help but catch up with the folks at Uku for an hour. So thank you to Margot and the boys for their time. But anyway, enough of my holidays. Let's get straight into the news. And the big announcement this week was that accounting suite Bright had added cloud working paper tool MyWorkpapers to its suite of products as the developer looks to expand its range of products for accountants, maybe take it a little bit more upmarket. Interesting times. What's next? There's a debut on the site for Dale Rodriguez from Creston Reeves, no apostrophe. So Dale has shared his matrix that he uses to help the firm select new software. It certainly got the commenters going on the site, so thank you for that, Dale. What's next? More digital transformation stuff, and Cloud 10 accounting Stuart Hurst joined me for the latest in our Accounting Tech Repair Shop series to talk about how he helped a recruiter overcome convoluted processes, extract more information, and ultimately help them open a new US office. So thank you for that, Stuart. This one was released at the beginning of last week, but I think it deserves a bit of an airing. So this was my conversation at XeroCon with Xero CEO Sukhinder Singh Cassidy. It's a really good chat about her vision for the platform going forwards, her attitude towards risk, the pricing changes, and lots more. So this and all the other articles mentioned in this video you can find in the description, and you can find the Sukhinder chat also on the podcast by searching for Accounting Web on your podcast player of choice. Let's stick with the platforms, and Free Agent has just released a new partner integrations page where you can see all the software that the accounting platform partners with. Really useful. Thank you for that. Airwallex, so global payments platform, has partnered with QuickBooks Online to streamline the reconciliation process and eliminate the need for manual data entry. A bit of departure news now, and Celso Pinto, the founder of practice management platform Pixie, has announced on LinkedIn that he is leaving the business. In the post, he announces that Pixie will continue, just the business has been sold and will eventually be expanded. No news on who's actually bought it, but if you'd like to access that information, then do keep your eye on these videos. It's the AI section now. Let's ring it in with the AI gong. And Kevin Phillips, the IDU chief, has written an opinion piece for us on how the AI buck still stops with the humans. Good stuff. Thank you, Kevin. And Russell Gammon from Tax Systems looks at it from another angle and examines some of the day-to-day processes and operations where AI could make a difference. So things like trial balance mapping, value out of tax data, keeping up with tax legislation, etc. Thank you, Russell. And if you'd like another take on the same topic, a couple of people sent me this while I was away, actually. This is from Andreessen Horowitz, one of the world's biggest venture capital firms, talking about how generative AI will change accounting. It's always good to get take on this stuff from people who are experts in their field, but sort of one step removed from it all. It's very bullish. I mean, Tech Investor says tech is going to be great. But some interesting stuff, and they have looked at, for example, some of the jobs that accountants do and where Gen AI can fit in there, even if their research is a little bit shonky in places. They're talking about research here, report generation and filing, client service and advice. It gets a little thin towards the end, but they do have an interesting accounting and AI market map, sort of similar to the one I put together in November, but a lot slicker. A lot of these are American firms, most of which I've never heard of, but you do have the likes of Data Snipper, Canopy, Carbon, and the UK's very own Genesis, the AI bookkeeping tool. So congratulations to Nikolai and the team for making the grade there. On something completely different, exciting news for Excel users. There are 2 new functions on the Microsoft 365 Excel package: Translate and Detect Language. Sacre bleu. On an adjacent note, Hugh Johnson has queued up another in his Power BI series talking about queries and their distinct roles. Thank you, Hugh. And an update on Counting Up. This is the platform, a sort of money account and bookkeeping tool. So they have improvements to their tax pots. They have an activation checklist, and they're currently building a bookkeeping task list. So all interesting stuff. Thank you for that, Angus. And finally, we have news that Alaka Bank, so the business bank catering for the larger S's and the smaller M's in the SME market, they are apparently the UK's fastest growing company. So congratulations to the Alicans. Great news. Speaking of news, if you would like to keep up with the fast-moving world of accounting technology, then do subscribe to my weekly email. Pop your email address in the box and let the yellow box do the work. If you're watching on the socials, please like, subscribe, or follow. It genuinely helps. And I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.